Good evening. Our topic properties of binary operations. Previous video আমি binary operation definition আৰু কিছুমান examples চাইছিলো. এতিয়া properties খিনি চাই লওঁ. First property commutative. So consider a binary operation say star on a set A, and if this condition is followed, A star B is same as B star A for every A B belongs to the set A, then the binary operation is called as what? Commutative. Example childwa addition on the set real number. Ami jano addition on the set real number is a binary operation. The commutative binary operation hoy nai hoy because tumi jikono real number ta loa 2 ordered pair 2,3 loa ordered pair 2,3 binary operation di dia ki dia ase binary operation addition 2 plus 3 korile ki paba 5. Next ordered pair 3,2 loa, that means 3 plus 2 korile tumi ki paba 5. Means 2 plus 3 is same as 3 plus 2. 2 plus 3 is same as 3 plus 2. Ita tumi g real number loa, g real number loa tumi position geta jodi interchange kori dia. First element at sthai tumi second element likha, but tumi add korile eketai result paba. So ami ki ko paru addition is a commutative binary operation. Similarly multiplication so eketa ordered pair lo, but yet plus or thai ami multiplication. So multiplication is a binary operation on the set of real numbers we know. Commutative hoy na check kora. 2 into 3 ki baba 6 is same as 3 into 2 6. So multiplication is a commutative binary operation because interchanging the position we get the same result. But our subtraction is not commutative because 2 minus 3 ki paisa minus 1 paisa, and 3 minus 2 ami ki pam plus 1. That means interchanging the position here position geta interchange koi disu ami eketa result paisu na nai pua. So what we can say, subtraction is not a commutative binary operation. Next division sawa para division ek ordered pair so ami 2 divided by 3 is not same as 3 divided by 2. So we can say this is not a commutative binary operation. Next associative property. Next property associative. So associative and commutative are almost similar, but yet amar tinta elements thakibo and bracket rule use hobo. First left hand side bracket A star B star C equal to A star bracket B star C. Examples 1 addition. Now addition is associative because left hand side to me any 3 real number lo 2 3 5 lo janiba left hand side put kori so addition in place of addition 2 plus 3 plus 5 ita ami bodmas rule use kori bracket first add korim 2 plus 3 ki hobo tomar 5 plus 5 ki pasa 10. Right hand side apply kori so first element amar ki asle A 2 asile 3 plus 5. So ami first bracket korim 3 plus 5 kiman hobo 8 10. So what we can say, our addition is a associative binary operation. Similarly our multiplication associative hobo koi sabo para left hand side 2 into 3 into 5 3 to the 6 6 5 ja kiman 30. Right hand side tomar first ami bracket 3 into 5 hobo. So 3 into 5 amar 15 to the 30. So our left hand side and right hand side are same. I bracket or yat my associative bracket or position to jodi change koro bracket or position inter olap change kora hoy, then if we get the same result then we say this is associative. Yat amar dekha goise example lo dekhaisu ami addition is associative with g kuno every element or every ordered pair pairs or karone amar addition is associative. Similarly multiplication for every ordered pair in the Cartesian product of real numbers our multiplication is associative, as this condition, this is your condition for associative, this is a condition for associative. If this follows, a left hand side equal to right hand side, left hand side equal to right hand side, then so our multiplication is what? Associative binary operation. So here tomorrow kori dekhua hoise all, for all real numbers kane amar this follows, and for all real number this multiplication, associative multiplication follows. So what? Addition and multiplication are associative binary operation. But tomorrow subtraction or karone swam from the set of real numbers to the set of real numbers is not associative for subtraction, because a minus b minus c, a minus b is not same as b minus a. Example of 2 minus 3 bracket minus 5, 2 minus 3 koile ami ki pa minus 1, and minus 5 koile ami minus 6 pao. Next ami jodi dia 2 minus 3 minus 5 koro, what? Our right hand side 2 minus 3 minus 5 hobo amar minus 2, kipa ami 2 minus minus plus 4. So what we can say, subtraction is not associative. Similarly division saba para, division at tomar 2 divided by 3, 2 divided by 3 divided by 5 loisa janiba. 2 divided by 3 is not equal to what? 2 divided by 3 divided by 5. So what we can say, 2 divided by 3 is not same as, divided by 5 is not same as 2 divided by 3 by divided by 5. First a bracket koriba, then divided by 5 koriba, will be not equal to 3 divided by 5 whole thing divided by 2 korisaba. So ami ki dekha goise, subtraction is not same because our associative property is not followed. Associative property follow kora nai. Left hand side equal to not right hand side. This and these are not equal. Values different aise, minus 6 is my plus 4 aise yet. Yet my division are different aise. So subtraction is not associative, and also division is not associative on the set of what? Real numbers, on the set of real numbers. Next very important property, existence of identity element. This is most important. Now addition, first example swallow. So you have a say a real number 2. So what? After adding what number, you get the same number 2 with respect to addition. To me jodi 2 plus 0 kora, then we will get what? 2. So this 0 is called the identity element of addition. So to me at 1.5 plus what element you get? 1.5, again 0. So to me, in case of addition, if we add 0 to the number, then we get the same number. But in case of addition, if we add 0 to the number, we get the same number, or we get the number itself. Multiplication at so, multiplication at to me 2 into what number, you get the same number itself. So in multiplication we have 1, or again we can say 1.5 into 1, we get 1.5. So in multiplication 1 is your identity element. So identity element means the number which after multiplying we get the same number. So with respect to multiplication, our 1 is the identity element, because multiplying 1 we get the same number itself. Multiplying 1 with 2 we get the same number itself. So in case of multiplication, our identity element is 1, and in case of addition, our identity element is 0. So now definition le a binary operation dia ase amar star on the set of what? Real on the set A. Now an element E, a identity element to ami symbolize the small letter e denote koru. Identity element small letter e belongs to the set A. A set of thakibo libo. The identity element tomar must belong to this set A. Must belong to this set A. If it exists, that means it must be present. if it exists. First condition tomar exist hobo lagibo, identity element e thakibo lagibo tomar, is called identity element for the binary operation, given binary operation, if this condition is followed. That means a star e gives you the same element a equal to e star a. Commutative hobo lagibo, commutative hobo lagibo aru logote ei condition to fill up hobo lagibo. Commutative condition a star e equal to e star a equal to. So to me addition at ki pala, 0 is the identity element, because 2 plus 0 equal to 2. You can also write as what, 0 plus 2. So in case of addition, 0 is your identity element. Say 0 is the identity element because to me a plus 0 equal to 0 plus equal to 0 plus a equal to a. Multiplication on 1, a into 1 equal to 1 into a, isn't it? Jikono real number karone, for all a belongs to real number. Next, subtraction. Subtraction and division do not have identity element. Why? In case of subtraction, dhora we have an element a minus e. Say we have an element 3. 3 minus e is not equal to e minus 3. Clear? 3 minus e is not equal to 3 minus e. Subtraction commutative hoy ne? Commutative no hoy. So amar, so to me 3 minus e is not same as e minus 3. Not same as e minus 3. So what we can say, n is also not equal to 3. So subtraction is not commutative. Dhora 0 boli dhori loa, e place of 0 dhori loa, 3 minus 0 ami ki pam 3 pam, but 0 minus 3 ami ki paisu minus 3 minus 3. So what we can say, subtraction is not commutative because we will not get an element in the set of real numbers such that this follows. Next, amar division auto, we will not get any element e or identity element such that this condition is followed. Why? Because tomar a divided by e is not equal to e divided by a, and if this not follows, then obviously this will not follow. Clear? Because tomar yat ako ebar koi disu, identity element hobole tomar commutative property follow koibo lagibo. That means a star e must be same as e star a, and that must be same as your the element itself a. Or yat amar subtraction at a minus e is never equal to e minus a. That means we will not have an element that this will follow. And division also, a divided by e is not equal to e divided by a. So we will not have an element which follows this. So this existence of identity element is very important. Next, our property is existence of inverse element. This is also much important, and try to understand it conceptually. So first amar condition ki hobo lagibo, inverse element thakibole amar first and foremost condition amar identity element thakibo lagibo on the set a. Yat amar binary operation amar kuntu set ot ase, on the set a, the star binary operation on the set a. So there must be the identity element on the set a with respect to the binary operation. That means tomar jodi real numbers hoy aru binary operation plus hoy, then identity element 0 thakibo lagibo. Aru tomar jodi real numbers hoy and identity operation multiplication, then your identity element 1 must be present. So identity element thokar pasot amar next ami sabo lagibo, for every a belongs to a, or for an element a belongs to the set a said to be invertible with respect to the operation if there exists an element b. Amar osot second element eta ase, already amar element eta ase, aru with respect to this operation we have another element, say b, nam disu ami, in the set a such that A star B equal to the identity element is equal to the B star A. The commutative rule follow korise. A star B equal to B star A, and this must be same as your value must be same as the identity element. Aru yat amar B to ki koa hobo inverse of the element A and denoted by A inverse. Tamane B equal to ami A inverse likhibo paru. Clear? So for ako koi disu identity element thakibo lagibo inverse hobole aru tumar A element kenaka hobo lagibo A star B equal to identity element equal to B star A. So example, addition on the set of real numbers. Our identity element as addition of 0 equal to 0, so we can write E equal to 0. E denotes identity element. Then for any real number A, to me A plus what must be added with A so that we get 0. Example 1, 2 loisa janiba, 2 plus what we will add to get the identity element 0, minus 2, and this is what same as minus 2 plus 2 0. Commutative apply follow korise aru logote tumar identity element 0 ahise. So ami ki kobo paru this minus 2 is the inverse element of 2 because 2 plus minus 2 ami identity element with respect to addition 0 paisu. So A plus minus A. So minus A is called the inverse of the element A belongs to R with respect to what? Addition, because ami at binary operation ki use korisu addition. Similarly, in case of multiplication, our identity element 1 is the identity element equal to 1. So say 2 loa, but ebar ami divide korim half so that we get the identity element 1. So similarly, say we have 2, so we need to multiply 2 with half so that we can get the identity element 1. So what we can say, this half is actually the identity inverse element. Half is the inverse element of 2 with respect to what? Multiplication, because yet our operation binary operation multiplication use korise. So generally ami jodi any element law, arbitrary element law in the set of real numbers, then say A logot ami 1 by A multiply korile ami identity element 1 pam. So amar A 1 by A ki koa hoy tumar this 1 by A is called the inverse of this particular element A inverse hobo. Jodi tumar 1 by 2 tumi 3 inverse bili kobo nwara, because 1 by 2 is not the inverse of 3. 1 by 2 will be the inverse of 2 only, because me 1 by 2 2 logot he multiply korile 1 paba. 1 by 2 into 3 you do not get 1. 1 by 2 into 3 you do not get 1. So but 1 by 2 into 2 you get 1. So 1 by 2 is the inverse of 2 of A with respect to what? Multiplication. Binary operation बहुत important because here tomar 0 ase aru inverse element minus A hoise with respect to addition. Here tomar multiplication ase, so tomar inverse element 1 by A hoy aru inverse identity element 1. So multiplication binary operation geta बहुत important hoy with respect to addition hoy ne with respect to multiplication hoy eta बहुत important. Subtraction and division has no inverse element. Why? Because koa hoisle that inverse element thakibole amar first and foremost identity element thakibo lagibo. Jehetu subtraction and division has no identity element, so they do not have inverse element. Since do not have identity element, subtraction and division, say they do not have inverse element.